Welcome to Fit Show 2025, live from the NEC in Birmingham, joined by Russell from Aluk. Russell, lovely to meet you.
Good to meet you too.
So good. We walked over to your stand. Number one, what an incredible exhibit that you have here. And number two, you offered me alcohol from the bar. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Why are we doing this? Let's go straight.
Plenty of other people. You wouldn't be the first. So,
Russell, welcome to Fit Show. How many times have you been here?
we've exhibited 3 times, and I've been every year personally anyway. So
Wow.
yeah, so we're a big advocate of the show. It's important for us to be here and support the industry and get behind it. So we're big advocates of the show.
I love that. How much have you seen the show evolve as well? Because I can't help feel that the NEC is going to be too small in 2 years' time.
That would be interesting. No, I think it's evolved well. I think what we do need is a lot of other brands in the industry to actually support it as well. There's some big brands that aren't here, and that would be good for everybody. Get more footfall through. But I'd say it's definitely this year we put a lot into it, and we got a big stand, and we put a lot into it to try and attract as many people here as we can. So
And day one for you, how was that yesterday?
excellent. Yeah, we weren't sure how it was going to go, but it was overwhelmed with the amount of people that's come on, and we've had lots of our existing customers, new potential customers, installers. Yeah, real diverse day yesterday.
Now, you mentioned to me just before we went live, we were talking about how this has evolved for you guys at UK. In the last year, so every product that you have here today, is this a new product for this year, every product?
You know, as I was saying, we sort of have really been pushing hard to get ourselves back and re-establish the brand in the marketplace for aluminium, and we've done that in the last 12 months. Everything apart from 2 windows on the stand has been developed and brought to market by our team in the last 12 months. So it's a pretty big effort that's gone on in the back office, and there's a lot of investment that we put into the marketplace as well, which has been great. So it's great to showcase it all for everyone.
Well, maybe you can showcase a little something that's new for us. Show us. I mean, I was just saying to you, these would look great in my back garden, going out into the back garden. We can talk afterwards, obviously. Talk me through what we have here for the bifold.
So this is our brand new bifold. We have obviously been an established brand in bifold indoors for the last 20 years. We were one of the first ones to bring it to market. We've now completely re-engineered the system from scratch to really support our customers and their customers take the opportunities which we think still exist in that market. We've also then, with this product, it's got all the bells and whistles on it in terms of low U values. It's got no PVC in it, so it's good for cradle to cradle from a sustainability point of view. We've removed all foams, and it's the slimmest bifold on the market now as a mainstream platform, which is great.
And with it slim, presumably that comes with lightweight as well. Does that make it easier for installers?
Yeah, I mean, what we've had to do, as you slim down the products like we have, it obviously puts a lot of technical challenges into the product. So we have to then thicken up wall thicknesses to be able to take the strength and still be able to deliver the sizes of openings that people would expect from a bifold door. So there's a lot of gone in and packed inside it, really.
Which one can you show? Can you take us around to some of the others? I want to have a little look at the sliding door if we can. Oh, yeah, please.
So this is really on trend at the moment,
Yeah.
the steel look system. We've developed this product to suite with our window ranges, so now it's really simple for fabricators to go in to get this market and take advantage of what's really on trend at the moment.
I was going to say, aesthetically, it's gorgeous, isn't it? The way
Yeah.
it just literally links
Slim
up and lines up. It
sidelines,
looks
steel
great.
look. Yeah, no, it's been really, really popular, and it's flew off the shelves as soon as we launched this one, which is great.
I love that. Let's go this side if we can. There is so much to see here. We're going to bring our cameras here, and as you can see, it's really busy already at this early stage at the NEC. The sliding door.
So this door we've developed, it's super fast to fabricate and even faster to install. So if you actually go to the demo area at 12 o'clock today, we've got another demo that we did yesterday. The guys actually fitted this in 14 minutes.
Hang on, whoa. The guy has taken this, so from on-site it arrives, packaged,
Absolutely.
into the situ
And they
in
installed it
14 minutes.
And it was this chap here that did it. But yeah.
What we should name this guy. We should name this gentleman over here. Installed in 14. Ashley, please forgive me. You're live. You installed this in 14 minutes.
Yeah, 14 minutes.
And you're doing it again today?
Yeah, at 12 o'clock, so if you want to come over, anyone, then, yeah.
I would never normally say I never like a show off, but I kind of do.
He's very modest.
That's
He's
very
very
cool.
modest.
It's like, well, it's about 14 minutes. That's impressive. We would love to see that. The stall is fantastic. What are we expecting for day 2? And also late night opening tonight as well.
We have got the coolest guy in the whole place, I think, on our stand.
I didn't know I was coming.
No, not well, another
Oh,
guy.
sorry,
another
I'm
guy.
the other coolest guy.
So we got a jazz guy on the stand. If you see him, he's the best dressed guy here. So he'll be on tonight. We've got street food, beers, everything's on today, and we're just really trying to showcase everything that we've got here. And everyone's welcome, and it'd be great to see everyone come to the stand. So.
Russell, thank you so much as always. Can't wait to see you a bit later.